So see what I said, tables can easily turn around. The ball now, the bigger one, seems to be retreating backwards. You might wonder, how is it gonna end? One needs to submit and walk away, and this can easily turn positive again, quite easy. I've seen rhinos fighting like quite intense. As soon as the other one submits, the next day he was in the territory submitting, and the other bull tolerated him, which was quite interesting to see.
They are fighting for the territory.
Yes, it's sorting out some hierarchies. You'd find bulls, dominant bulls, accommodating less dominant bulls within the territory, as long as there's not any competition, like competing for the females. As long as you submit to say, I'm around and I'm not gonna show much of interest onto your valuables, which at that point, considering that there should be genes being passed, it's gonna be females. The water and all of that, when I'm around, yes, obviously you would need to submit and open up some space, or we can share if there's enough space.
It's all good.
Are they still being poached? Even their dehome?
Yeah,
Still?
they poach them for their stubs as well.
Sadly, yes, they do. But honestly, yes, it has reduced the rate of these activities.
The real thing, it's not that there's not resources. There's money for anti-poaching. There's money for education. There's money from tourism. There's international money. But if the individuals involved, either in the protection or the next level is the prosecution, the judges and the lawyers. If they don't do their job, then the poachers just come out again and do it again. And that's been a big factor.
Coming on it.
Yeah, that's better.
Absolutely. The way Case Road hits this cut line. Copy that. I'll be about 5 minutes, I reckon. On its other side, but they're still visible there. Copy. Thank you very much. Just one more thing. I found something else. I sent you a message there. Okay, copy. I'll have a look.
It's very special.
Very, very special.
It's funny folios.
They both seem tired, eh?
Yeah, so they look like their faces are sore.
Yes.